What hard drives are better, SATA hard drives or SSD hard drives? We're going to talk about that in this video. My name is Mike Locascio and I help people repair their computers. I give computer tips to new people or anybody that's interested in maintaining their own computer, making it run better. That's what I do on this channel. I teach you how to do maintenance. I teach you how to fix problems that you have. If you're new to my video and my channels, please subscribe and watch my videos. You'll get a lot of knowledge out of my videos. In my 23 years of being a computer technician, I learned a lot of things by working on companies' computers and working on home users' computers and people at home that have a home business that rely on their computers. I know a lot of different things that you can do to make your computer better, and this is the channel that I talk about them in. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and I'll bring you the best computer repairs that you can find. And I will teach you in basic, easy to understand language how to repair your computer and how to make it better and make it a pleasant and a more happier computer experience that you have day in and day out. So SSD hard drives, that's what we're talking about. If you're a gamer or if you're somebody that needs a fast hard drive, a fast computer, and you do data processing, or you really want your games to run fast, you need to get an SSD hard drive. SSD hard drives are flash storage and have no moving parts at all. SSD storage is much faster than its hard drive equivalent, which is the regular hard drive, SATA. SATA hard drives are okay, but they're very bulky. They're slow. They have magnetic tape and mechanical parts inside, and they're larger than the SSD hard drives and much slower to read and write. So if you need a faster hard drive and you're a gamer and you do processing and deal with applications, big applications, then you want to get an SSD hard drive. You never have to defrag an SSD hard drive because they all run a totally different type of animal. They're not like a regular SATA hard drive. Just remember, when you install an SSD hard drive, before you remove your SATA hard drive, make sure you back up everything. And then when you install Windows on your new SSD hard drive, then you'll be able to put everything back on it. So your computer will run a lot faster, it will run smoother, and you'll be very surprised that the SSD, the new technology that's out today, is really a big improvement. You don't even need a real big SSD hard drive. You just need one that's like 250 gig or 500 gig, and you will really, really enjoy the SSD hard drive. The prices have gone down significantly since they came out, so you can look on Amazon and you could search the internet for the best prices on them, and the prices are cheaper now. So if you're a gamer, you definitely want to consider an SSD hard drive. And if you're new on my channel, I want to welcome you. I'm Mike Locascio, and I bring you the best tips and tricks and to help you maintain your computer every day. So just follow my channel, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I make videos almost every day on computer repair and how to basically take care of your computer day in and day out. And I want to thank you for coming to my channel and watching this video. I will see you in the next video. If you have any comments, please leave them below. I love to answer comments. If there's a video that you want me to make on a subject or an issue you're having, leave it in the comments and I'll make sure I do that. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.